I can wipe it all day long. We can walk around, dude. We just go from Tamarack. Did you? Yes, very. What year is yours? Oh, yours is about half the way to You got aluminum doors. I'm Steve. All right? You got truck for SUV?
My name's Evie Coley. I'm from Norwood, North Carolina. I'm here with my 1968 First Street Chevy Camaro. It has a 454 big block, Sport 30 over. It has a 671 coal blower with a super chiller intercooler. It's got two Holley 750s. We have a Rad Racing blower belt guard. It's a 150 shot nitrous. It has custom interior. It has air ride all the way around and custom ground effects, one-piece ground effects. 671 coal blower, and like I said, underneath that it's sitting on top of a super chiller intercooler, which is also, you just can't find them anymore. And then the Rad Technologies belt guard from Donovan Norris.
So tell me more about the super chiller. What makes it hard to find? First time I've heard about that.
It's just the brand. They are no longer in business. You cannot find those intercoolers. It has aluminum heads and Ken Larson two-piece valve covers.
What makes those Ken Larson valve covers special?
Oh my gosh, you can't find them. They're hard to find. They're the most wanted valve covers of any like true hot rodder around. You just cannot find them. The outside was painted by Terry Hatley out of Albemarle, North Carolina. He's part of the Tack Twisters. We have a car club called the Tack Twisters. It's got a modified hockey stripe up the side. It used to be orange with white stripes, rally stripes. In 2009, we went in and restored it. We did the inside out of red and black leather. You can see we have a 1960 Impala dash. And we have a speaker and stereo system set up in the back. It's got 2 tins. It's got your amp. It's got the radio in the back. So we got a 9-inch quarter in. We have 411 gears. And of course we have my parachute and everything. It's sitting on weld forged wheels. All right, so we got brand new aluminum. So we have mirror finish. This was done by Troy Wilson at Wilson Fabrications in Mooresville, North Carolina. So we have it all around the motor. So it's like a mirror, it just reflects. So on a good sunny day, you don't want to be standing right over it because you can't see, it'll blind you. All right, guys, I've got more horsepower than you can imagine for a little lady. I have about 1,100 horsepower, which is most guys' dreams. So this car meet is like one of my favorites. Just the downtown atmosphere is really laid back. You always have a good variety of cars here. It's just a nice setup, and have it in the afternoon so it's not so sweltering hot. It's just a good time. We have a good time. We come here and relax and kick back.
Now you're also going to be a pinup model for our second annual Don't Hide or Drive Cruise-In event, August 17th.
Correct. So I'm part of Pinups and Pumps in Albemarle. This is our North Carolina chapter. And my pinup name is Misbehavin'. So you guys come out, support us. I think the cruise-in starts at 2. The pinup contest starts at 4. Misbehavin' is who you want to vote for. All right, so you guys be sure to come out, car or no car, come out and enjoy everything that's here. One Saturday afternoon, every Saturday afternoon, we're here.